Medicare open enrollment starts today and runs through December 7th, but if the process feels overwhelming or confusing, and it certainly can, don't worry, because the Louisiana Department of Insurance can help. And this morning, Insurance Commissioner Jim Donelon is here to tell us more about this process. Thank you for joining us this morning.
Glad to be.
Yeah,
and
because
thank you
this can be
for giving us this opportunity.
This can be very overwhelming for people, so we wanted you to come in and kind of ease their minds.
Absolutely. And the federal government funds in our department and every other insurance department in America something called Senior Health Insurance Program. And we hire counselors who are there to help people through this very complicated and very important part of their lives.
Sure. For people watching today who are going, oh, now is the time to do this, what's the first step for them?
Well, the first step is to check and see which plan they're in and is it meeting their needs today. Everyone over 65 is eligible for Medicare, and those under 65 who are disabled are eligible as well. That's a lot of folks. And there are many, many plans and options. Prescription drug plans that vary from one company to another, Medicare Advantage plans that offer extra benefits such as gym dues and other benefits that traditional Medicare does not provide. So with those options available and the complexity and in-network, out-of-network for different providers, it really behooves them to reach out to us and get unbiased opinion on what's best for their situation. It varies from one geographic area to another even. The price is not a big option. It is based on traditional Medicare. And but the rest of the what is in an individual's best interest can vary greatly.
And are there any big changes that people should be aware of from last enrollment period to this one?
No, not this year. No,
okay.
Not in Medicare. By the way, our 800 number, 259-5300, is readily available. We have folks that are there all day, every day, and ready and willing and capable of answering these questions for those who are overwhelmed by the selections they have to make. And is the phone the best way to reach you guys? It is. We can be reached online as well, www.ldi, Louisiana Department of Insurance.la.gov, but 800-259-5300. Those folks are there around the clock, year-round, well, not from 8 to 5 on a daily basis, year-round, and are very knowledgeable and experienced in this very complex part of people's lives. Gotcha. We've also been seeing a lot of stories recently about efforts to crack down on fraud within the Medicare system. I understand there were some changes to the cards recently. Tell us a little bit about that. Yes, there were, and frankly, all I can do is refer you to our counselors. I'm not up to speed on the new parts of the new Medicare identification card. Okay. So, all right. Well, thank you very much for joining us this morning. I know people have lots of questions about this, so they'll be happy to reach out to you guys. For more help with the Medicare open enrollment, you can call the Louisiana Department of Insurance. That number is 1-800-259-5300, or log on to our website, WWLTV.com, and click on links. We'll put the link that you need there for easy access.